All of you don't move from your place. Hands cover up, stretch your hands. And side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now all of you be ready for our national anthem. Hands cover up, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now all of you be ready for our school song. cover up, and side, hands up, and side, and stop. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease. Now I'd like to call respected speakers to deliver their speech.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Desara Bhandari from grade 8, standing here to share a short and sweet story on the topic of bad habit. First of all, I like to thank the organizer who have organized this kind of program which helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now my story goes like this. Bad habit. A wealthy businessman was worried about his son's bad habit. He sought counsel from a wise old man. The old man met the man's sons and took it out from a stall. They walked together on the woods, and the old man showed the boy a small sapling and asked him to pull it out. The boy did it so with ease, and they moved on. The boy did it so with ease, and they walked on. The old man then asked the boy to pull out a small plant. The boy did it that too with a little effort. As they walked, the boy asked the boy to pull out the bush, which he did. The next was a small tree which the child has to struggle a lot, but he pulled it out. Finally, the trunk was of a big tree. The old man showed him a bigger tree and asked the child to pull it out. The child failed to pull it out, even after trying for several times in a different way. The old man looked at the boy, smiled, and said, "So is the case with a habit good or a bad?" The moral of this story is bad habits are hard to get rid of once they have settled in our system. That's why it is best to get rid of them earlier on. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now to provide some information, I would like to welcome our lecturer.
Thank you, Krizal. Definitely, if bad habits are rooted, then it's very difficult to eradicate or remove from us. So we have to be very much careful. What type of habits are being developed with us? If it's bad habit, please be aware of it and remove as soon as possible. So the speakers are very less. Today I found the speaker from grade 8 only. And what about grade 7? Have you practiced it or not? Grade 7, did you get chance? Grade 6? 5? 4? I think they haven't got chance. So, from tomorrow, it's the turn of grade 7, roll number 1, to share the memorable day. And grade 8, they are just bringing some stories in Nepal, in English. Now it's the turn of grade 9. Grade 9, roll number 1, will bring Nepali Katha from tomorrow. 9, Katha. 8, story. And 7, memory sharing. We must give it continuity. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. Clap together. Together. Akash Gurung, are you active or passive? Danish Lama. I will louder. Inside, hands down. Studies. So, grade 4 to 7. Your evaluation test is already over. So today there is games. During your games, some of the students can go for dance and music. Very soon we are going to organize one event where the winners of Sport Meet 2080 are honored, and the students who have done much better in extracurricular activities, they also will be honored. So during that program, you can show your ability in dance, music, or if you are smart in caricature or acting, that also you can show in that event. So practice. You can practice during your games time and under the supervision of your class teacher. So class teacher will be given some ideas how to do. Accordingly you can do it, and you must follow the instruction provided by them. Is that clear? And 8, 9, 10. You have got your booster exam. Please focus on your studies. Don't get distracted. Getting distraction is also a kind of bad habit. Remember. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Studies. Attention.
Play by USB drive. Play by USB drive.
Okay, everybody be ready for march past. Please do it together. Lift your legs and bang on the ground. Together. थोड़ा हाउस गर्ल सारे एक्टिव. Okay, Simran, move forward.